proceed to our second category. A big round of applause to our models in their prosthetics makeup. children who are crying, if you don't behave, the monsters will come back. I'm kidding, I'm kidding. They will come back. Maybe later in the grand finale. But right now, we would like to take this opportunity to thank our sponsors. Of course, we would like to thank SM Bacolod City for accommodating the workshops, headed of course by Mr. George Hartulin. Sir George, thank you very much. We would also like to thank the IMI, the Institute of the Moving Image of the University of St. Salle, the Center for Marketing and Communications, also from the Salle Bacolod, the Salle Filmmaker Society, the Makeup Artists Guild of Negros, who you will see later on, the Hari ng Pilipinas Negros Occidental in Bacolod City, the Lakansang Silay winners, of course, the heartthrob of the Salle, Mr. Dominic Lindaya. You will find him here later on. We have Psalms Audio, Mr. Edwin Benitez, and Ms. Ariel Apoyon for the gowns of our models. We also have Carlos Durana Makeup Studio, Carlos Durana Makeup Team for helping our students, your Kathy for the accessories of our models, Mr. Dwight Morane of Negros Fashion Fest for providing our models, JL Talent Management, Apple Imbang, Chino Christopherson, Leonard Heraldes. Thank you so much to our sponsors. With that, we would also like to acknowledge the presence of our provincial and city officials, starting of course with board member Rita Gatuslao. Board member, thank you so much for joining us. Love the hair, by the way. Love the hair. Of course, we would also like to acknowledge the Honorable Greg Gasataya, the Congressman of the Lone District. Congressman Greg was here somewhere. I think he just bought a donut, together with the Honorable Jason Villarosa. Let's give our officials a big round of applause, please. Okay.